We are discussing about GATE 1998 ECE paper, and this question is relating to electronics. The static characteristics of an adequately forward biased PN junction is a straight line if the plot is of log I versus log V, log I versus V, I versus log V, I versus V. We know that one PN junction characteristics, the voltage and current relationship is nothing but I is equal to I naught into e power V by eta Vt minus 1. I is nothing but current flowing through the diode whenever it is forward bias, and I naught is a reverse saturation current which is flowing from N to P, and V is nothing but applied voltage across the diode terminals. It is not applied source voltage, it is the voltage across diode terminals. And eta is nothing but intrinsic constant whose value is 1 for germanium, 2 for silicon. Vt is nothing but threshold voltage. Vt is thermal voltage. Thermal voltage is nothing but temperature equivalent of voltage whose value is 26 millivolts at room temperature. So if you are going to check that one, I and V are going to be related to I is proportional to e power V. So if you take like this is on V and it is on I, at that time I is nothing but e power V you are getting. Okay, so when you are going to be getting this one as linear characteristic, so by that time the characteristics are going to be looks like this one, exponential. So you can convert exponential into linear by taking natural logarithm. So if you take it as e power V, if you are taking natural logarithm or simply logarithm, by that time, okay, that will be converted log into e is going to be making it as, so if you take natural logarithm, so log I, actually what we are doing is nothing but log n, natural logarithm we have to do, so that you can take if, okay, instead of this one we will go for natural logarithm of I is nothing but natural logarithm of e power V, which implies nothing but, here it is natural logarithm and e will get cancelled, so what you will get is nothing but V. So the current is going to be, if you take natural logarithm of I, by that time it is going to be proportional to V. So the characteristic should be taken as x-axis must be voltage and y-axis must be natural logarithm of I. But here it is natural logarithm is not given, so natural logarithm of any value can be written as 2.33 times of log I. Okay, so that here it is natural logarithm of I is ln, so natural logarithm of I is proportional to logarithm of I base 10, so that if the plot is between natural log I versus V, at that time we can get the linear characteristics, so the characteristics will be linear. So the static characteristic of an adequately forward biased PN junction is a straight line. Okay, so the characteristic is going to be a straight line whenever you are going with log I versus V. By that time this is V gamma, cut-in voltage. So instead of going exponentially the characteristics, now it will be going through linear whenever you are going with log I versus V. Okay, thank you.